Okay, just I won't call it a cheapy. That's a lovely TS430S, but it's had a bit of, needs a bit of love on the covers, a little bit dirty there. But overall, we've run it through the workshop, and actually it's working really well. Since we're advertising a few bird meters at the moment, I thought I'd show you just how the bird meters work and how they effectively pretty much tell us that 50 watts there is 48.1 watts there, so it's pretty close. Anyway, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2. So this is a TS430S that's going to go out the door to somebody, and it's going to be one of our little cheapy specials, but it's actually a good radio. Being able to just fire it up, and actually you'll see, like, power wise, I've just I had it turned down on FM, but if I go to AM, 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, sorry, that's me. Yeah, sorry, trust this. I've got to go to AM here. Hang on. AM. That's better. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. I've got my mic gain very much. I was going to say something's up very high there. The analyzer was having a fit. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2. Good 100 watts there. Jeez. Now I'll turn that down a bit. Oh, they don't let you on AM, do they? Oh, yes they do. Yes they do. It's just very severe. Let's have a look. Yeah. About there maybe. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Oh yeah. Sideband. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Hello. Let's have a look here. Sideband. 1 2 3 4 5. I'm a little bit off. Hang on. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Keeping in mind none of this is PP at the moment, but hello 1 2, and we put that processor in. 1 2 3 4 5. That's a lot more drive. 1 2 1 2. Yeah. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. That's working well. Let's just put a little bit of a carrier in, make sure the receiver's actually up to scratch. That I didn't check earlier, to be honest. Let's putting in 0.5 of a microvolt. Yep, receiver's working beautifully. It's coming. That's nice, actually. Let's just see that meter works. That's about right for 50 microvolts. Pretty happy with that. Turn that off. Yeah, so no, it's actually turn that down. It's actually working for the fact that it's a little bit rougher on the cases than I'd like. The front panel is actually really good on it. So when you see the price on this, you'll fall over, because it's actually not going to be huge money. But it's a nice little radio if you're just looking to excuse me, enjoy using a bit of HF, and I just haven't got time to go through and make them all pretty at the moment, so we're just sort of putting out a few bargains just to say, well, okay, people can just grab them as is. Anyway, sorry, just one of those days today. So TS430, we'll announce the price. Might put in the YouTube notes or something. I'm not even sure what it is, to be honest. The reason I'm stalling is I just can't remember. Anyway, we're sort of doing a few today. Those of you that are looking at us sort of pushing out a few bird watt meters at the moment, a lot of them are coming with quite a few slug sets, etc. There's one we just put up, and they're a lovely meter. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2 1 2. Keep in mind the Bird 43 is the non-PP meter. You can fit aftermarket PP kits to them. Sorry, get it right. And I was thinking about the cost of the kits. I think they're about $100 or so. But certainly the Bird meters, they are fabulous, and they're pretty hard to destroy, to be honest. I've only actually got one non-PP one myself, which actually mate of mine, Rob, fixed up all the batteries. They're a pain in the ass, to be honest, in the fact they use a real strange charging system. Sometimes I wonder if the 43 is just easier, but not really. No, look, the PP is a nice function, but certainly we've got a few 43s that'll be coming up. There's 3 or 4, something like that. So you'll see those come up on the web. Anyway, TS430S, great little radio. I won't bother trying to put on air or do anything silly. Certainly seems to be doing everything it should be doing. Then we go to 1 meg steps, etc, etc. Yeah, nice. Display's really good on this thing here. Yeah, look, great radios for what they are. Pretty bulletproof, and you know, you can run them anywhere, and they do the job. So if you're looking for something that's not, you know, $1 million, you know, I always think about the 430s and the 440s. Obviously, we use a 440 up here on the bench just as a listening radio, and you know, they're really actually good value for money for what they are. The amount of times I hear people still running 430s, it's amazing. They, you know, they really have really, you know, stood the test of time. Keep in mind, yes, you can there's memories in this at the moment, but as you can see, 8 memories. So, you know, you can basically chuck in, this guy's got a few AM listening channels and things, and these all look like broadcast frequency stuff. But yeah, I mean, certainly, you know, it's certainly not archaic in that respect. You know, you're not going back to 120Ss or 130Ss where you've got no memory control. They actually were 0 to 30, full receiver, full everything on them. So, you know, when you start to sort of buy something like this at a relatively cheap price, you're getting a lot of radio for it. So anyway, all right, enough salesmanship. I'm having an incredibly busy day today, so I better keep on. But certainly have a look for this 430S. We'll put it up for sale very soon. Cheers, guys.